said, no, now I'm not going to play. See what I mean? Get another one. I'll make this one a good one. You want to go one, Fred? Here you go. Drag it. Drag it. Ready? Get it. He's ignoring me. Hold on a second. Oh, my hands are cold. I need to make him another one. He loves them. He missed it. I want to catch him. You need to see this in mid up. There he goes. You had it. His claws on it. Are you cold now?